Before we begin, please make sure you're in a safe, comfortable place where you can give your full, undivided attention to this experience. So do not listen while driving, operating machinery, or performing any task that requires your focus, because this is your time, your space, your moment to reconnect with yourself. Find a place to sit or lie down where you will not be disturbed. As you can listen to this recording once or daily for deeper transformation. Each time you listen, you strengthen your new identity, expand your capacity to receive, and soften the old money story that no longer serves you. Use this recording in the morning, before bed, or anytime you want to reconnect with your wealthy self. Your subconscious mind will give you exactly what you need today. Find a spot on the wall or ceiling and focus there. Maybe even the camera on the device that you're listening on. Keep your focus and notice how you begin to blink and your eyes begin to try to close. Keep looking at that spot and just notice it. Keep looking at that spot. That's right. Notice how tired your eyes begin to feel as you look at that spot. Now go ahead and close your eyes on down. And as you do that, allow your breath to slow itself down naturally, easily, comfortably. There's nothing you need to do, no effort required. Just notice the rhythm of your breath, the gentle rise and fall, like waves remembering the shore. And as you breathe, you may notice a softening, a letting go, a quiet melt of tensions in your shoulder, your jaw, your chest, with every breath inviting you deeper and deeper into comfort. You might find yourself becoming aware of the space around you, the stillness, the safety, the delicious quiet that tells your nervous system you can rest now. And even if your mind wanders, that's perfectly okay, because your subconscious mind, the part of you that remembers who you really are, is listening deeply. Now, with your eyes comfortably closed, allow yourself to drift deeper as you listen to the sound of my voice. Float, sink into a deeper, more peaceful state, allowing your body to relax. Now, allow your mind to soften, letting any remaining tensions completely dissolve. Imagine your inner world opening, and you are now deeply connected to yourself. As you allow yourself to go deeper and deeper, with each and every breath taking you deeper and deeper into this naturally beautiful state. Imagine now a warm, golden path unfolding beneath you. The air is soft. The light is gentle. And every step feels like coming home to a version of yourself you've always known, but haven't visited in a while. Feel the ground supporting you. Feel the space inviting you. Feel yourself in your imagination walking toward something true, something inevitable, something meant. Up ahead you see your wealthy self, the you who has rewritten their money story, integrated their worth, and expanded their identity with ease. Notice how they stand, the calm confidence in their posture, the ease of the breath, the way abundance rests on their shoulders like something natural, effortless, expected. As you begin walking closer, you feel a warm resonance, a familiarity, a complete knowing. This isn't a future version of you. This is the real you, the unburdened you, the expanded you, the you beneath the old stories. Notice as they look at you with recognition, with pride, with a soft smile that says, "I've been waiting for you." And now they speak to you, their voice gentle and sure, as you ask, "What do you want me to know right now?" Listen, feel, receive. Now ask, what belief can I release now with love, with ease, with finality? Now allow it to fall away like dust from your shoulders. And then ask, what is the next aligned step? The step that brings us together into my world, into my identity, into my freedom. Allow the clarity to rise. And now, in your imagination, notice they reach out their hand. Go ahead, reach out, take their hand. You can feel the energy traveling from their palm into your palm. You might notice a warmth. You might notice a tingling. Or maybe your palm, your hand just feels heavier than it did a moment ago. Or maybe it feels lighter than it did a moment ago. Allow it, warm, expanding, grounding. This is rewriting you without effort. You begin to feel their confidence blending with yours, their ease becoming your ease, their abundance becoming your abundance. Allow their identity to move into your chest, your breath, your posture, your sense of what is possible. And to now repeat, either silently to yourself or out loud, I am ready to receive. I am expanding. I am becoming my future self now. And in this moment, we create an anchor. With each breath you breathe, you feel this anchor flow through you as your breath in and out. Now, gently touch your thumb and index finger together, creating a physical anchor at the same time. These anchors of your breath and your index finger and your thumb will instantly reconnect you to their energy, their wisdom, their identity, anytime you need it. And now imagine the ripple effect, how they will guide your decisions, how this will soften your fears, how they will help you receive more with ease. See yourself as early as tomorrow, making one aligned choice as them. Then next week, then next month, your life reshaping around your new identity, bit by bit. In a moment, I'll count you out from 1 to 5. You will return refreshed, grounded, and fully in your power. 1, your breath deepening this new anchor to your future self. 2, coming back to your body, feeling the ease of flow as the new you. 3, tapping into your new normal as the confident future self now. 4, noticing how you've already started to shift and change. 5, eyes open and ready to see yourself in a new light. You're fully back, carrying your wealthy self with you. You are rewriting your money story with every breath you take. Return to this recording anytime you want to remember who you truly are. And I am Vicki Poole with the Enlightened Peach and ready to help you become your most magnificent wealthy self.